Hello, beautiful people. I am the empowering Angel Robinson. Today, I am back with a fantastic tutorial. We're all growing out. I don't know why they're growing their hair out, but we're growing our hair out. Just the top. Jazz never wants me to cut the top, so I'm gonna show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to grow your hair out, but keep a beautiful style. All right, tools needed for this particular tutorial will be a blow dryer of your choice. I like this one, it's the Stylist Blowout. Clippers of your choice. I like the Andis Super 120 Ions. I like the wall detailer liners. You need a carbon comb and cutting combs of your choice. You also need flat irons. I like the Ion thermal flat irons, the Infinity Conair flat irons. I got them from Target or Walmart, believe it or not, you guys. And I love, in every video I use the Red Pro. These things are to die for. They're the Red Pro, the silicone Red Pro. Also, 2 clips, because I'm gonna separate our hair in 2 sections. The first thing you wanna do, beautiful people, is do your sectioning. I always part in 2 sections. I separate the top from the bottom. I part right at I start at the arch of her brow and I bring them back, as you can see. And then sometimes, depending on the head shape, but Jazz, she wears her hair in a V in the back, so I cut her hair in a U shape to complement her V shape in the back. All right, I'm gonna start on the right side of her head and I work from right to left, only because I'm right-handed. A lot of people can start from the left side if you're left-handed. There's no rules to this, but I want you guys to follow me. I'm gonna use my clippers, my cordless Andis Super clippers, and a carbon cutting comb. And I'm gonna create my guide. And I simply create my guide by pulling her hair out to the desired length that I want, using the comb, pulling the hair all the way up, determining my guide, and simply just cutting at a 90-degree angle. At a 90 gives it a rainbow-like shape, and it gives her a softer look. Look at that, you guys, perfect. Almost perfect, I'm telling you. I'm not gonna blend her sides here with her top, is because I'm gonna leave the top super heavy. You guys stay tuned, I'm gonna mold her, put her under the dryer, and she'll be right back. Jazz is often under the dryer, so our first step is to add the Perfect Curl Serum to her hair. Just a little bit, you don't need that much. That's it. And we're gonna rub it in, emulsify it in our hands, and then we're gonna massage it through her hair and kind of just rub it through the waves without disturbing the waves. And if you need a little bit more, make sure you use a little bit more. I'm going to diffuse her now, so I'm going to add just a tad bit more of Maintain hairspray to the front. For anything else, it'll be in the description box below. See you guys soon, and remember that you are. All right, beautiful people, I want to introduce my new website called angelrobinsonspeaks.com. You no longer have to travel to me, or I have to travel to you. You can catch my product knowledge, tool knowledge, molding techniques, styling techniques, curling techniques, you guys. I'm telling you, all right here on Angel Robinson Speaks. You don't need a flight. You don't need a hotel. You definitely don't need a rent-a-car. All you need is angelrobinsonspeaks.com. Come on right now. Go over to angelrobinsonspeaks.com. Everything is there on one platform. Product knowledge, tool knowledge, molding technique, curling and styling techniques, cutting. You guys want me to cut? I'm cutting up on angelrobinsonspeaks.com. See you guys on the website.